Welcome to the True Fitness Service and Documentation YouTube channel, where we cover assembly and service items for most True and Octane products. This video was made to go along with the recent service bulletin associated with the Octane Residential 10-inch touchscreen console. The problem some people are seeing in the field happens during setup. The base serial number input window cannot accept the Octane retail serial number format. If this happens to you, enter any random number but make sure it is in the typical True serial number format. Then press Save. If you get the format wrong, you will receive a prompt showing you the correct format and asking you to re-enter the number. You can then follow the prompts on the console and continue through the setup process. This should only apply to a few consoles in the field. We are pushing out a permanent fix. Thanks for watching the True Fitness Service and Documentation channel.